everybody. The Jingly Jangly Jungle is a very noisy place, isn't it? There's squawky birds, buzzy bees, and hummy lions. Oh, hello, Rara.
Oh, hello. Do you like my new tune?
It's lovely, but why did you stop?
I can't think of an ending. But I love making music. Did you hear that?
Yes, sounds like someone else loves making music too.
I'm going to find out who. Let's jungly jump to it! Hi, Huffy. What's that?
It's my toot stick. I've made it all by myself.
Wow! Can you play it for me?
Oh, no. It's not finished yet.
A bit like my tune.
I need to get some more string to tie it together. You could hold it while I get the string, though. But be careful, Rara. Remember, it's not finished.
I will.
Uppity, 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 up.
Rara, didn't Tufty say it wasn't finished?
But I'm being careful, and I want to find an ending for my tune. Oh no! The toot stick!
Rara, you've played the toot stick. I told you it wasn't finished, and now it's broken.
Sorry. I'll fix it.
OK, let's fix it together. There's still one piece missing.
Oops. Is this it?
Yes. It's broken. It makes the wrong sound now.
What about this bit of wood instead?
No, that's the wrong sound too. It's too big. I need a smaller sound.
Down on the ground and up in the air. We'll look for the right sound everywhere. Toot toot! What about this?
No, that's the wrong sound. It's too small.
Too small. What about this?
Oh no, too squeaky.
And this?
Too boomy.
Look! Coconuts! They make a good sound. Go! Hello, Rara. Hello, Huffy. Hi, Oo. We're looking for the right sound.
For my toot stick, it's got a bit missing.
What does the right sound like? Not too big and not too small.
It's not squeaky and it's not boomy.
What about this?
Oh no, that's not right. Much too coconutty.
What about this? No.
Too whooshy.
Have you looked at Rocky Rockyville? Great idea, Oo. Come on, let's jungly jump to it. Down on the ground and up in the air. We'll look for the right sound everywhere. Toot toot. Toot toot. Hi, everybody. Hello.
Oh, hi. Hello, Rara. Would you like a drink?
Oh, no thank you. We're busy looking for the right sound.
For my toot stick. Oh, what sort of sound is it?
It's not too big and it's not too small.
It's not squeaky or boomy.
And it's definitely not...
What about this? Too poppy. Could the right sound be this? No, too bubbly.
What about nay?
Too, nay. Oh, it's no good, Rara. We'll never find the right sound.
What was that sound?
What sound?
It wasn't big or small. It wasn't squeaky or boomy. And it certainly wasn't... Listen.
I can't hear anything.
There it is again. Hufty, make that sad sound again.
Like this?
It's the bottle. What do you think, Hufty?
That's it! It's the right sound! We found it!
Hooray! Now you can play your toot stick.
Yes! But I don't know what to play.
Rara, you've got a new tune.
Oh, yes. Hufty, I've got a tune. Oh, but it's not finished yet.
I know. Maybe we could finish it together.
Down on the ground and up in the air. We'll look for the right sound everywhere.
Ha! That was fun. I love your tune.
It's not my tune, it's our tune.
Let's play it again. Even louder.
The Jingly Jangly Jungle is a very noisy place. If you listen carefully... I said, if you listen carefully, you can hear the sound of the animals playing their tunes very, very loudly.